What's going on, guys? In this one, we're going to take a look at something I never thought I would own. A Joby GorillaPod. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Art here off the Dope Media Group. In this one, I just wanted to kind of talk about something, like I said, I never thought that I would own a Joby GorillaPod. I didn't see the purpose. I didn't know what it was for. I mean, of course, I knew what it was for, but I didn't see how it fit in my life as far as photography and shooting video. But I caught a deal on one, and I gotta be honest with you, it's become the love of my life with respect to new camera gear. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's extremely flexible, and that's both literally and figuratively. Real quick, if you don't know about it, it's basically a mini tripod. It's a mini tripod, but it has flexible, what they call prehensile legs, kind of like a monkey, if you will, and it can wrap around, I won't say almost anything, but it can wrap around poles, small trees, things of that nature, arms, legs, or whatever, and it's pretty cool. It also, as you already probably know, it's a great kind of vlog handle. And so that was my reasoning for picking it up, is because I started this vlog. I'm running around with the DSLR pretty often now, and it's really convenient. I can get it out here at arm's length and kind of move it around in front of the camera. But as you see, it can handily hold a DSLR. The specs say 6.6 pounds, so that would obviously, this is a T2i, so this is obviously not 6.6 pounds, but I haven't had any problems with it. It has a quick release plate on the bottom that attaches to the camera, and obviously it screws in 1/4 and it's got a bubble level. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a bubble level right here on the back, so that when you can put it in funky positions and so forth. Slides right in, so it's proprietary. You can't use this on anything else. And there's a button right under here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a button. You push the button and it'll slide right out. There's a ball head that actually comes with it, which makes it the slr-zoom. You can actually purchase just the legs and it will screw into the bottom of the camera. It has the ball head that both loosens the plate or the bottom, so you can actually get a 90-degree angle, and it also allows it to rotate it, so you can put it in funky positions. It's got the dial settings down here and so forth. There are no numbers, but just the notches, the painted notches. But anyway, the whole point is I'm digging it. I'm liking it. I didn't think I would. I didn't think I would use it, but it gives me the ability to get really low angle shots. It really gives me the ability to set up really quickly to get not only low angle shots, but shots on top of a car, wherever, however, funky angles and things like that. I can carry it with the legs out, go handheld, this and that, sit it down, and then move around and do what I need to do. So it's really portable, and it's flexible. So it's pretty cool. So anyway, should you get it? Obviously, it depends on what you're doing. There are different models that are out there. They have them for your cell phone. They have them for smaller cameras. They have them, I think they have them for action cameras and so forth. So there's a whole line of them. But anyway, the whole point is that I think, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I literally have this with me every day. I carry my camera bag, but it's on the camera's on the GorillaPod more often than it's in the camera bag these days. But it's definitely something that I am enjoying, and this thing will get a lot of use. So anyway, that's my rant for the day on this Joby SLR Zoom GorillaPod. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below. If you're interested, check it out, see what you think. Link is in the description below. Oops. So anyway, as always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And if you're a droner or drone or pilot and you fly safe. Peace.